Welcome class 6D. We are doing one word, different parts of speech from uh, English language. Kindly turn to page number 156. We are doing exercise B this time. I read it out. Use these words in sentences of your own, first as a noun and then as a verb. So for each word, we have to make two sentences. Once where the word is used as a noun word and another time when the word is used as a verb word. I will do the first one for you and then I will ask you. Remember, I have told you to write these answers and tell me yours. We will discuss your answers also. But let me give the first one to you as an example. So write down 1A. 1A. In the bracket, in the margin column only, please write noun. 1A, noun. N-O-U-N, noun. Write the word notice. 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 Fine. It is the notice for holidays. The notice for holidays was put up on school notice board. The notice for holidays was put up, PUT, put up on school notice board. Underline the word notice. Now here notice is used as noun. Next, 1B. 1B. In the margin area only, write down VERB, verb. Write the answer. I didn't notice. I didn't. DIDN apostrophe comma T. I didn't notice that my best friend, my best friend was standing right behind me. Was standing right, R-I-G-H-T, right behind me. Full stop. Underline the word notice again. Notice is used as verb. So I hope you have understood. Second one, raise your hand so that I can call your name. Call, C-A-L-L, used as noun. Yes, Arav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I received a call from my grandmother last night. Noun.
Yes. Done? Over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, let us write this answer. This is clear and correct. I received a call, CALL. I received, RECEIVED. Write this in the fair copy. I received a call from my grandmother last night. I received a call from my grandmother last night. Now, children, if you see this exercise in exam and if you want to write sentences of your own, they are very well accepted. Make sure that they are grammatically correct. कोई भी sentence चलेगा, but make sure that you have made them right. Yes, who's going to tell me? To be. To be is call as verb. Okay, Zaid is raising hand. Yes, Zaid. Call to be used as verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I will call my father after 1 hour.
Okay, fine. Heather, can you please share your answer with us?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will call you after the concert.
Okay, fine. Arav, what do you have to say?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I called Reena by her nickname. Verb.
Okay, fine. So all three are correct. Please write one answer to it. You can call your parents. Write 2B. Answer number 2B. You can call your parents, comma, as the class is as the class is over now. Full stop. You can call your parents, comma, as the class is over now. Call is here used as verb. Okay, fine. Third one. Now same old people will reply. What about Kabir? What about Manal Fida? Avya? Third one, 3A. People please write the next heading. 3A, test. Test as noun. Yes, Avya.
Ma'am, we will be having a test tomorrow.
Okay, somebody else. Please don't write any answer, children, till I confirm it. Okay, anyone?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay,
Ma'am, our teacher will take a maths test today.
okay, fine. I have a better sentence. Please write this. Okay, please tell. Share your answer.
I got full marks in my previous test.
Okay, that is even nice. So nice. Kabir, what do you have to share?
My teacher took a test yesterday.
Okay. So children, what you can do is, please write, my patience was, my patience. Patience. Patience was put to test. Put. Put to test when the baby cried for hours. When the baby cried for hours. HOURS. Please underline the word test used as noun. Okay, 3B. 3B. Use of test as verb. I need people to raise their hand. Kabir. Okay, yes, Kabir. Test used as noun. Kabir, we are waiting for your response.
My mother took a jumping test of me.
Okay. Any other answer? Anybody else? Yes, Zaid, what do you have written?
Ma'am, we have to tell of verb.
Make use of test used as verb in a sentence. Tell verb sentence for test.
Okay, ma'am. I have written the test.
No, यहाँ पे तो written is used as a verb है. It's not test. Okay, people, write the answer now. The lab technician, the lab, L-A-B, lab means laboratory. The lab technician, Technician, Technician. I'm sorry, can you hear me now, children? The lab technician has to test all the blood samples today. Has to test all the blood samples, SAMPLES, samples today. Full stop. Underline the word test. Here, test is used as verb. Please make some proper sentences, right? What is this? I had given a test. No, it's very simple. Question number 4. 4A, run. 4A. I want some of the girls to answer now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ali
Ma'am,
Sareem, I will
please
not.
page number, ma'am.
Please ask me anything else. Yes,
Ma'am, page number, please. ma'am.
page number is 156. 156. Question number
Thank you,
4A.
ma'am.
Okay. Question number 4A. Run is used as noun. Manal, have you done it? Stuti, Khyati, Shanza. Have you done it, Manal?
No, ma'am.
Shivansh. Why didn't means you people are skipping homework? It is not accepted. 4A. Run. Used as noun. Same, Zaid, Kabir and Arab. And some of the answers Avya has solved. Apart from that, nobody else has done the homework. It's not. Yes? Heather also. Huh. Omkesh, you have joined just now.
Ma'am, Tom's
Ma'am,
code
can I tell?
are run in the evening.
Who's this? Kabir or Heather? Who was telling this?
Ma'am, Heather.
Okay, Heather, repeat your answer. Run used as noun.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Tom's code are run in the evening.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Kabir,
sorry.
what do you have to say? Okay, fine. Thank you, Heather. Kabir, what do you have to say?
I started to run when the dog chased me.
Ha. Okay. Fine. This was better. So please write the answer. I began to run. I began to run fast as the dog chased me. I began to run fast as the dog chased me. Okay, 4B. Children, underline the word run. Here, run was used as noun. Underline the word run. 4B. Run used as verb. Quickly.
Ma'am, I had to run to catch the school bus.
Okay. Write the answer. You must run faster. You must run faster to win the race. You must run faster to win the race. Full stop. Underline the word run, and here run is used as verb. 5A, come on. This will be the last sentence that we'll be doing. 5A and 5B. All right, so 5A. Arav Khatri.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I gave him a slight push.
Okay, fine. Write the answer. My younger brother, 5A. Push used as noun. My younger brother gave me a push my younger brother gave me a push towards the door. TOWARDS. Towards the door. Full stop. Underline the word push. Here, push is used as a noun word. Okay, 5B. Push used as verb. Arab will not reply now. People have not done the work and I am feeling disappointed. Kabir has also answered and Zaid and Heather have also answered. I want somebody who has not yet answered. No, I will not ask the people. Same old people are answering. It means the others have not done the homework. I'm not happy. I'm disappointed. Hirdeansh, have you done it? Kaushiki, Shanza, Shivansh, not done? Okay, Shanza. Push used as verb.
She
Please
pushed
tell.
at the door, but it wouldn't budge.
Okay, fine. Write the answer. Someone pushed me hard. Someone pushed, Pushed, pushed me hard, 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 from behind, and I fell down from the stairs. And I fell down from the stairs. Six A. If the same people are going to answer, I'm not going to dictate this answer to you. You must try it out. Otherwise, 6 to 10 we will do in the next week. Is there anybody else who has not yet answered who want to give it a try? Walk used as noun.
Ma'am, can I?
And walk used as verb. Not like this. Please raise your hand. Yes, Pathak. Walk. 6A.
We had
Walk used as noun.
a pleasant walk.
Okay. Anything else? Can you better the sentence?
Ma'am,
All right, never mind. That was correct. Okay, thank you, Pathak. That was correct. Yes, Kabir.
Today I walk early morning.
No, this is use of walk as verb. This is not noun. Anyways, yes, Avya.
Ma'am, the old couple walk every day.
No, beta, this walk is used as verb. यहाँ पर ये noun जैसा नहीं है. ये verb जैसा है. Yes, Kaushiki.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Just a minute. After Kaushiki, Ali Sari will attempt. Yes, Kaushiki. So many mics are on. Yes, Kaushiki, you want to answer, so please tell. Otherwise, let it be. Okay, Ali, tell. Please be quick.
Ma'am, Rahul is running around the fountain.
Running में तो walk है ही नहीं बेटा. Being so useless of you people that you want to answer and then you answer this. Unless you know the proper answer, please don't raise your hand and do not waste time. Right, number 6A. Walk. Walk used as noun. Heather is raising hand. Heather, what do you have to say? Last option. Okay. Let's see.
The walk from the valley to the hills was very difficult.
This is a nice answer. Okay, anyways. Write the answer. Grandpa and I had gone for a walk. Grandpa and I had gone for a walk. WALK. After a long time, after a long time, yesterday. After a long time, yesterday. Full stop. 6B, walk used as verb. I'm scared of your answers, some of you children. Please be a little sensible while you are raising hand. Zaid.
Yes, ma'am. I walk daily to be fit.
Okay, fine. This is a very nice thing. It's a very nice thought as well. Please write the answer, children. My mother likes to walk. My mother likes to walk barefoot. BAREFOOT. Barefoot on green grass. On green grass. My mother likes to walk barefoot on green grass. So we will keep the answers till here only. We have written enough sentences. Now 7 to 10 we will do on the next turn. Zaid, you can stop the recording now.